Hi, I'm Tim Trzaska. I'm Director of Operations here in the Neshaminy School District. And I'm here to talk to you today about the bipolar ionization units that we just completed installation in all of our school buildings and all our classrooms. So this is one of our typical classroom units. As you can see, on the side here we have vents where inside air is brought in. Outside air is also brought in through the back of the unit. When air comes into the unit, there's a blower here that sucks in all the air and blows it through our filter system. Our coil is located here where that heats and cools the classrooms. And then the ionization unit's up here by the ductwork.
Here's how it works. When outdoor air comes into a building, oxygen molecules are carried over specially designed bipolar ion tubes. An energy field converts these molecules into positively and negatively charged ions. These ions then travel into occupied spaces to seek out oppositely charged bad air particles, VOCs, and odors. When they combine, it forces them to break down and drop out of our breathing range to reduce contaminant levels and improve our health and wellness.
So our air comes in through the classroom and the outside, it mixes. It comes in, it goes through your filter system, it gets heated and cooled. It then goes past the ionization unit. The ionization unit puts off the ions into the classroom through the ductwork. The ions are in the room, they pick up and attach to different particles such as molds and viruses. They then get pulled back in through the unit and into the filter system. This is our typical unit that we have in our classrooms through most of our elementaries and possibly some of our middle schools. But some of our larger areas like cafeterias, auditoriums, the high school, which is a very big building, these units are huge and are located on the roofs. They've also had ionization units added to those units to provide the bipolar ionization throughout every space in all of our schools. We're glad to have this technology. It's typically reserved for hospitals and casinos to help with smells, but hospitals to help with the transmission of any type of virus or any type of infections that could be in the air. So I feel lucky to have this here to provide another means to help our students and keep our buildings clean and fresh and safe.